Today we're going to be fixing up a old new Bible. My father-in-law is a huge follower of Jimmy Swaggart Ministries. Their ministry has blessed him greatly. The message of the cross. I would encourage you to listen to a little bit of Jimmy Swaggart. And this is actually the Thomas Nelson large print imperial reference, if I remember correctly. Even a lot of the pages, hear that? But he doesn't know this, but I found this Bible in like new condition, and I'm going to be sending it to him as a gift. And if you open it up, you'll start to hear it cracking, and I want to fix that. And we also have another issue. You can see inside there, it's starting to come off underneath. We are going to first, in this video, fix this Bible up and make it ready to be used if he so desires. So the first thing we're going to begin doing is taking this Bible apart in a way that we can put it back together like factory. So what we're going to do is, here we have the end sheet. We're going to go to this first page here, carefully push it away. And I always do this type of work without any music or anything. I want to hear what's going on if I'm messing up things. Careful, careful. Do not want to damage anything. On the other side here, I'm going to grab the Bible itself. Very carefully, because I don't want to tear it. Get out this old book cloth out of here. Make it perfectly clean. I just do my best. I've learned over the years of doing a lot of these kind of restorations that it works well just with the new layer glue, but still try. But again, this doesn't have to be perfectly clean. You just want to get what's loose off. We're going to start working on the spine. Get yourself a quality brush, and some PVA glue. First, always do ribbons before book cloth. Rusty, but it's okay. They're going bye-bye. I like to do it on the top, touching. Just gives it a little better hold for the headbands. This sit for 24 hours and we will be back to finish up this Bible. Now this part is very tricky, and take your time. This is the hardest part of the whole process. First, I dry fit it, and then before we start gluing anything, you get it all the way in, and I'll show you here. Now we want to make a marking on the cover just to know where we want the glue to stop, just to give us a little bit of a reference. My white marking pen, so I know just to carry the glue right there. Our book cloth, make sure we're right side up. And I'll get it tucked. This is very hard for me to show on camera, so I apologize, but you'll see the process. And then we'll fold it over and tuck it under, and then place it down before we start applying any glue and get it close. Make sure we're not too high, not too low, and it's not going to be even right away just because there's no glue holding anything, but you could get it close so you could work it later. Just mentioned, I wanted to have enough glue to soak through and connect the paste down liner to connect this book cloth to the cover, all three. I want all three to have plenty of glue. So fold this down. Here's the very, very tricky part. Move my book weight. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold my liner on that edge where I want it. Okay, line it up. And hold it there. Don't want it to move. Again, this part's really, really tricky. Really, really tricky. Got that glue drying on me, but I'm going to line it up just like this, holding it up. And I don't want it to move. And then I'm going to press down on the liner portion. Press down here. And then we can do micro adjustments later, so don't worry. We just want to get this as close as possible. Up to the line that we made with our marking pen. Then we're gonna tuck this over. We're gonna grab a hold of the end sheet. Press it down onto that cover. There was getting that book cloth that is attached to the spine under the paste down liner and secure it. So now we're just wanting to let the glue dry, and then we'll come back in about 30 minutes and finish this Bible up. We got the issue fixed with the top right there. Look at that. We got those paste down vinyl end sheets lined up real nicely. Looking beautiful. Now time to get it packaged up and ready to ship to my father-in-law. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.